Are we seeing falling prices? As we move into the fall season, you may be wondering what's going on with your home prices. Hi, I'm Allison Mireau, broker, owner, and founder of Realty. According to housing experts, home prices are not falling anymore, and the real estate downturn is turning out to be shorter than originally predicted. Why is this? Scarcity is a big reason. High interest rates are keeping homeowners with low mortgage rates staying put in their homes, and some potential buyers have given up on their search and are waiting for rates to come down. This is causing overall transactions to be down, but prices are still holding due to supply and demand. New listings of homes for sale are so low they continue to be bidding wars in some markets, with properties averaging about 3 offers each. This is good news for homeowners who need to sell, and most likely they will see a strong return on their investment. As we move into the fall and winter months, where we typically see a slowdown, prices are unlikely to fall significantly because there is just not enough homes for sale to meet the demands. If you would like to know more housing data to see what's happening in your local market, reach out to me and my team so we can help strategize your next move. My name is Allison Mireau, broker, owner, and founder of Realty, where we're all about creating seamless connections in real estate tailored just for you.